Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can customize Shopify Studio theme header. So first step you need to do is to open your Shopify store and go into the online store, and from here you need to select the themes. So once theme is selected, you need to activate Studio theme and click on customize. So once you are here, you can see that this is my store and this is the header. So you simply need to select the header, and now you can customize here. You can change the position of this my store from left, that is top center, middle left. So it is up to you how you want, that is middle center. So it is up to you how you want. You can change position, and here you can see a list. If you want to modify this, you simply need to click on this arrow. So here you can see that I added the all details. So if you want to edit this, you simply need to click here. You can change the name from here, and if you want to delete, you simply need to click on remove, click on save menu, and you need to refresh this page and it will be refreshed. It will be added here, the change that you made recently here. So next I'm going to show you how you can change the color. So you can change color from here like this, and there is sticky header. If you want to change, you can this as well, but it will not play a major role. So scroll down, and next you can see the option of spacing. If you want, you can increase the spacing like this, and that is section padding. If you want to increase top padding, you can increase like this, and if you want to increase bottom padding, you can increase from here. So it is up to you how you can modify. So this is the process how you can customize Shopify Studio theme header. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.